9 अप्रैल 2024, समय हो गया 08 है 9 अप्रैल 9 अप्रैल 2024, समय हो गया है 08:57 PM। तो आज का रिजल्ट जो रहा, क्लोजिंग विसिल बज चुकी है, और आज का रिजल्ट जो रहा, द विनर इज France police. Yes, it was today's Lumacha war zone. The winner is France police, and from the Saudi Arabia. Next, actually, their military general was arrested by France police with Interpol warrant, and the warrant is executed with the help of Delhi police. But each and everything, I'm a referee, each and everything is according to the protocols of war zone. The protocol was broken by Saudi Arabia, the Emperor Army, and the person who was arrested and assassinated by France police was a man who slightly was look like me as my photograph in Aadhaar card, and he was here and he was sitting at today Khalsa Dhaba, and means from a long time he was used to come at Khalsa Dhaba. His height was a 5'6" and he was carrying a very sharp surgical blade and a gun and a small knives, and he was sitting inside the Khalsa Dhaba and waiting for his chance to open war zone. Suddenly France police raided Khalsa Dhaba and asked him that, sir, now your turn is to enter in war zone, and he very pleasantly comes out from the Khalsa Dhaba and gets seated inside the car of France police, and the Delhi special staff was with them. Each and everything, whatever was happened today, under the protocol, and there is a no foul. The thing is, the King Salman's cashier, he was very close to Saudi Arabia King Salman, and he was a cashier, and he used to come at Khalsa Dhaba, Delhi Chhatarpur, daily at daytime 03:02 by announcing that he is a Indian Penal Code Article 302 means death murder case. If he is there at Khalsa Dhaba, means that 302 article is imposed by him, and everyone inside the Khalsa Dhaba is dead. So today's war between Saudi Arabia and the France, the both nations superiors was in dispute of Burj Khalifa. When you saw the photograph of a Burj Khalifa, one side corner above from the middle corner was a dispute between Saudi Arabia king and the France, and the France government was asking, if you want to own that area, you must have to pay, and the Saudi Arabia king was continuously denying not to pay. France government. So money. So that was a dispute, and a clear winner is France police, and they really France next. Yes, France next. Not yes, they are from the France police, but they are from the regiment. Is next. Now I will explain what is the meaning of next, and I earlier mentioned in my tweets also that next R means soldiers in black uniform. In entire world, there is a army called NEGS. Like in India, NSG, National Security Guards are NEGS. They are the baddest dream for any army, and they give really good fight. And in Pakistan, there is NAB is a NEGS, and in United States of America, SWAT, US Navy SEALs are NEGS. And the fight was between Saudi Arabia NEGS versus France NEGS. NEGS means NEG. NEGS color code is black, and the white color code is a POS. POS. So many color codes are there. You can visit my Twitter handle Hitesh Ray1, and you can able to find out the color codes. And now today also between India and Pakistan, both teams are presenting their forces, maybe or maybe not next. Yeah, it can be possible that if Pakistani army introducing NAB next, maybe the possibility the Indian army will introduce their license. License means maroon. L-A-Y something is license. License means maroon. Means let's see what happened. And don't worry. And I'm a Satish Mandal. I'm the referee for the zone. And don't worry, I'm in a both simultaneous rank, but I'm not prepared as in a NEG, because reason is NEGs are used to take opium. I'm giving you some beautiful information, because every time whenever these all soldiers go out from the war zone, they love to say thanks to referee and wants some kind of tip. So I'm giving you some tips, so it will help you, because you are the superiors and the very experienced fighters of war zone. But I'm giving you some beautiful information, and that is always the war hours, when you consider it, it comes in narcotics mode. Like NEGs are the persons who are used to take opiums. Like if someone asks me to support NEG, I have a belt number of NEG also from a NAB and from US Navy SEAL and from SWAT and from NSG also. But yes, to be in NEG's team, I'm wearing this black purse in my hand. But I'm not used to take opium, and I want to be if NEG, then I must use continuously daily. Not daily, means minimum twice in a week opium. It is must. And if you are from the POS, you must be used to of cocaine. And if you are from a Green Beret, then you must be using wheat. It's marijuana, something na ganja जिसे बोलते हैं. So if you are using this thing, so it's a denote your uniform, because according to war zone pattern and ritual or a culture, if you are in an army, or if you are in a regiment, I will explain you registered mentals. What is the meaning of regimentals? So this is reality. Like suppose, and who are the lessons? They are used to take world's deadliest deadliest uh, uh, addiction. They are blood drinkers. They are blood drinkers. If you are thinking about the maroon cap, they are world's deadliest and the worst dream for entire world. If the Pakistani army is in mood to challenge, if Pakistani necks are in mood to challenge uh, Indian army, be careful, because if they present necks in front of you, the world's deadliest cannibalist army is waiting for you in war zone. I don't know, maybe the possibility that your family will going to receive your dead body or not. and for related to addiction, they can use anything. They use whiskey or wine. Mainly they use wine, whiskey or wine or anything, but the rest is wine, and they are wine drinkers, and especially red wines. They mix human blood, their enemy's blood in wine, and then they drink. And sometimes they used to put a straw in the enemy and like to have it. So this is the my tip to you. If you are a neg, and because today's war zone was decorated by the world's two biggest nations next, I love to say you all thank you very much, sir, to participating. You all are in my war zone, and this is my information for you. If you want to be neg, then you must use opium and read opium facility, what is opium, and the OCR. OCR, must watch what OCR you are receiving. What is OCR? It comes in your dreams, and it always gives you orders very, very sharply and very intelligently to you, to each every commando. OCR is opium comics redressal. If you are a next, then you are a OCR. And you all have to receive your orders via watching your dreams. What you are receiving in your dreams. What kind of dreams you are watching. And the last dream are the orders, or the license, or maybe the rejections, or maybe the threat is coming to you. Sometime you watch a dream was not good for you, means you are in a big trouble. Sometime you are watching your family, means you have to continue with your family. Sometime you received, someone is watching you, or someone is in love with you, you will receive, and all the dreams will come in colorful dreams, 100% colorful. If you are not receiving colorful dreams and you are using opium and you are a OCR, means something is lack in your training. So this is my advice to both nations next. Thank you very much, and I hope so that the loss is due to Mr. King Salman was not good. Better next time. Thank you very much. Now that I'm coming out on the point of what I'm telling you is what is the regiments? What is regimental army? Regimental army is the we call those soldiers registered mentals. So how many nations have a regimental army? Indian army is among the regimental armies in entire world. And Indian army, they have really a good count of registered mentals. like Sikh regiments, Supermentals, Gurkha regiment. They all are the registered mentals. And how many registered mentals are there in Pakistan? I don't know, but everyone is waiting what is going to happen. And my word is simple. Now I'm coming on the point because at the in the morning tonight at 2:30 approx will be the preparation whistle, and the war zone is inside India. Because some of the NAV commanders was also asking if Hitesh is a referee, we like to ask him what precautionary measure we can take. The difficult part is for you that the war zone is inside India. Either you go for to show your strength on borders or via podium. Now, these are the ways, because Pakistan is in mood to present next, and I welcome you all in war zone, because you see, very simply, I am the world's best man, because I am the real money and I am earning wonderful amount of money, being a referee, being a founder of war zone, and being in a world's best entertainer, selling my each and everything is on sale. I'm selling Tabar Tod, I'm auctioning my videos, my songs, my advice. So this is good. So this is up to you. If you enter in war zone, remember a thing, and that is, it is war zone. And each and everything is going to count under international protocol. And remember, this is Lumacha, largest uranium mine at Chhatarpur. And the Creators Army is also there. And the whistle is between ADGPI, Indian Army versus Pakistani Army. Next means NAB. So be careful, because the Creator warned you. You are going to face world's deadliest attack in retaliation. If you are thinking that you actually jump inside the war zone, and same for the Indian Army, like Paras asking for the what can be the precautionary measure, because it's a more than the World Cup now. I'm advertising it very well. Sava Sitesh. So it depends on. But remember one thing, my advice to Pakistani Army, if you are inside the war zone, Lumacha, wireless one thing to Afghanistan and Iran, that other war zone is closed now, this time, for some time. And you are in registered war zone. Right? Because maybe the possibility, and even I like to say to Indian Army and to Creators Army also, to wireless this. We don't want any kind of interruption between Indian Army and the Pakistani Army, and the challenger versus the Creator, who is challenging the Lumacha war zone. I would like to say to wireless it to Iran and Afghanistan and to Nepal and to Bangladesh. Do not interfere. If you are in mood to support Pakistan, then go via Pakistan. Right? Because this is the clear war zone. This is the clear. And I don't know in retaliation, what will be the effect in rest of the world. Because if if Saudi Arabia is thinking that they are in a big loss because of the King Salman's cashier, is I'm giving you other more deep information about what happened after they arrested that King Salman's cashier from the Khalsa Dhaba Chhatarpur. They take him to the France embassy. Yes, they arrested him. They bring him inside the France embassy in Delhi. Then they take him to the Palam International Airport and take him via special flight to Sri Lanka. And in the airspace of Sri Lanka, Colombo, during the flight, they assassinate him. During the flight, France next assassinate him after the interrogation. This is the clear report. And since they are saying last 3 months continuously, they were asking, and the King Salman was saying, go and talk to my cashier. And where is the cashier? The cashier was there. And the France rewarded. They announced a reward on that person with the help of Interpol, and that was $200 million US. And who wants to lose this $200 million? Yeah, France sent me photo me also. Yeah, very very sharply. And that guy's name was Vidya Prakash something. Vidya Prakash, I think so. But he was very much used to change his name very frequently. And as soon as means the approach of the cover was enjoying Jai Durge's jewelry shop guard's duty. I heard that the Mr. Daya was in security of that person and he was enjoying his duty. It was wonderful. It was wonderful day. Was full of wonderful things. Thank you very much. भोजन कीजिए. कोलंबो में यहाँ से उसको श्रीलंका ले जाएगा और हवा में ना कोलंबो के एयर स्पेस में असैसिनेट कर दिया फ्रांस ने से. कर दिया ओके, बड़े अपनी he was the Interpol most wanted. So this was the report for today's war zone. It is because the now is maybe or maybe not. And this time, Pakistan is showing NATO with us. Oh, in war zone. Huh? And they wireless to Indian Army. Do not try to retaliate what we want. We will come to India and we will take it. Okay. मारते बहुत है, याद रखिए भैया. Because in other side, a man is in mood to support Indian Army. I don't know who he is. He was who very smartly managed to arrest Rabbi Pirzada and slaughter her. And that man is who arrested 145 world's top class female celebrities belongs to ISIS. If NAV is in mood to show NATO, then consider this paragraph also. And you can take official report from Intelligence Bureau of India also, that is that man was rewarded by Indian government because Rabbi Pirzada was a lady who threatened Indian Prime Minister, and she may assassinate him by Fidayeen attack. Pakistani army is showing NATO. Sit down. You don't know Pakistani army what is waiting for you. Maybe a crocodile or a boa or a lion or a buffalo or maybe donkey, maybe eagle. And this is official report from the Lumacha war zone. The Pakistan's Air Force F-16 fighter jets pilot Rabbi Pirzada was slaughtered by man and his army is in mood to support Indian army. And he has a wonderful gift for you, and that is Maryam Nawaz Sharif is also arrested by him. Don't try to fool entire world by showing the old videos in news. आओ तो सही. And the Indian army, after the 200 crore a man received from IB, Indian army announced 26 crore Indian rupees also award to that man. Man with the extraordinary talent. मेरी हिंदी में एडवाइस है भाई. मार मुर देगा यार, क्या फायदा है यार. इधर और उधर भारत और पाकिस्तान में हिंदी में ही बात चलेगी. मार मुर देगा यार, ठीक बात नहीं होगी, बता रहा हूं. मम्मी मम्मी कहता फिरेगा, मम्मी अम्मी का सोच ले. क्यों? Now what? नेटो, अच्छा। नवरात्र नहीं आज, टुडे इज नवरात्र, चैती नवरात्र। श्री रामनवमी स्टार्टेड, श्री रामनवमी फेस्टिवल इज स्टार्टेड। आई एम एंजॉयिंग प्रसाद। जितना बड़ा रखना रखो। छतरपुर मंदिर भंडारा बंद मत करिए, बता दे रहा हूँ, ठीक बात नहीं होगी। हाँ जरूर, वॉर जोन में आ रहे हैं आप लोग, छतरपुर मंदिर में भंडारा जरूर एंजॉय करें। पर छतरपुर मंदिर के अंदर फाउल माना जाएगा किसी भी प्रकार का झगड़ा लड़ाई, पेनल्टी तगड़ी है। ठीक है, शुक्रिया।